love again if you won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if he really cares.
So the video that you're about to see was already pre-filmed from yesterday. I saw the opportunity to make 2 videos in one day, and I made the one of the best decision of somebody just text me. I made one of the best decisions of my life to film 2 videos one time. So enjoy the video. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on all my social medias.
Does your hair absorb product easy? Like for instance, if you put something under, does it absorb? Are you low porosity or high porosity? Would you say? Like high porosity, that means that your hair absorbs moisture good. But if it's low porosity, you can put something in your hair and still it's kind of dry and it may sit on top.
It absorbs.
It absorbs. Okay, so you're not low porosity.
They're asking a lot of questions.
That helps me to know what product I could use for her. I'm trying to.
You don't ask me.
I know your hair, so I don't need to ask these things.
Next time, can you ask me?
No. I'm never asking you about your hair because I do your hair. I know your hair.
Oh, that dog
I
needs
do
to
need to
go.
do a clarifying products, and then
Can I take off my shoes?
huh?
Can I take off my shoes?
Of course you can. But wait, do you it's a little hair and stuff. You okay with that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, cool.
It's my shoes. I have it on the whole day.
But all right, you can come over here. Have a seat. Is it too hot? Feels okay? Oh, it's about to get hot. I feel it. Okay, here it goes. Put your head all the way back for me. There you go. All right. And get you a new towel. A little wet. So get a new towel on you. Alrighty. Well, let me slide it up. Have a seat over there. Okay. All right, Laura. Concentrate on getting the roots straight. For a little bus, and then you wanted it. That Lansing wanted
I
the
want
bear.
that double decker bus.
Yeah, you did when he bought it. Yes, you did, darling. You tried to take it from him.
Listen,
And Carrie was like, I should have bought Lauren the bus. And bought Lansing the teddy bear.
Lansing wanted the teddy bear and I wanted the bus.
When he went, y'all were.
So why didn't we just switch?
I don't know, child.
Did I want both?
You probably did. You always wanted something you couldn't have. You still do.
Talking about me bad. It's working, Mom, even though it's not hot.
Is it?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
It's still screaming. See, now I'm gonna do my edges.
Okay, so my hair is finally done. It feels so soft, like, look guys. Look at my hair top. It looks so good. Okay, so now we're in Walmart and we're getting things for a video. We're getting things for a video. I said I was going to do the Bob Ross painting and I'm getting the stuff right now. And then I have another video that I want to do. So I'm getting stuff for that too.
Yeah, what if we float? Yeah. I just said. Yeah, and look at those things too.
Yeah.
They have lots of stuff for crafts. Dance, Mommy.
No.
Do a dance.
No. With a Charlotte shake.
I'll do the shadow.
Okay. Can we get the
Glue?
furry things?
Okay. Let's go get the fur. You have to go that
Oh,
way.
the slippers.
Straight ahead.
The slippers are straight ahead.
To admire my hair for a minute. Look at it. Just look at it. Okay, let's get back to the video. Oh, did you see my hair, guys?
Oh, it's shaking. Look at that down. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Yes. This one.
Not as smart as Santa. The only people doing now is
And then you could tell them. Okay guys, so we got the things for the Bob Ross painting and we have them right here and in the back. Yeah, we have them right there. So this is the end of this video. Go ahead and
Like and subscribe.
bye guys. Oh, and go follow me on my Instagram at Nella_Forever2.